Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this video I'll introduce a composition for orchestra that's perfect for a horror film or game. This is a detailed walkthrough where I'll cover everything from chord progression to orchestration. Let's start with the basics. The key signature is C minor, the time signature is 4/4 time, the tempo is 120 BPM, the scale is basically harmonic minor, but the melody contains chromatic notes. If you want to create music with a dark, unsettling and scary mood, you need to use borrowed chords, as basic diatonic triads can feel too predictable. For example, there's usually a major chord on the 6th degree of the natural minor scale, but I use the minor chord here, which is an example of a chromatic mediant. If you're unfamiliar with borrowed chords, be sure to check out my lesson on that. The violins play below the piano, so the highest notes are handled by the piano. For both the first and the second violins, I use sul ponticello tremolo, which is excellent for creating spooky, horror-like sound. The cellos and double basses also use tremolo articulation, but I wanted a fat, strong, dark bass sound, and sul ponticello would have been too weak for that. The violas move together with the bassoon. I use the clarinet and the bassoon, both playing harmonizing notes beneath the violins. For the transition at the end, I included a piccolo and a flute to perform runs. The brass section is crucial in building the dark, unsettling atmosphere. The French horns and tenor trombones play harmonies using flutter tongue articulation, while the bass trombone follows the cellos and the tuba follows the double basses. A triangle sounds at the beginning for an unexpected effect. I also added a wind gong, which I love for its eerie sound in this context. Suspended cymbals and timpani are used during the ending transition. If you found this video interesting and useful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.